Guys, this is Reggie with Stock Talk, and we are on the road. That's right, you can trade from anywhere that you have an internet connection or a cell phone. And so we're doing it from the back seat of the minivan, and we're here with
the kids.
the crazy kids. And we're going to talk about ticker symbol
QS.
And QS stands for
Quantumscape.
That's right, our young investors here. So let's dig into it. So Quantumscape, we're gonna do look at the trend lines, right? So our major resistance for Quantumscape is that yellow line, which is 87.50. Our major support, resistance line is 122. So our support is 87.50, and our resistance line is 122.60. We have trend lines. Our trend lines will be this little flag pattern that's developing with those green lines. And so that little flag pattern is very early to establish a flag pattern, but again, this is the daily chart, and so it shows Christmas Eve and the day before, so we have some weakness. If we look down here, we have weakness in volume also, which shows a downside. So it's very possible Monday that the buyers will be back and the stock will gap up. If it does gap up, I expect it to hit that 132 line and maybe stay there. I'm not sure if we're going to see such a parabolic move as we've seen leading up to where we're at now, but I do see some upside there. However, looking at the RSI and the MacD, let's get in there. The RSI and the MacD, if this thing will allow me to do it, here we go. So that RSI and the MacD is not cooperating with me. All right, so the RSI shows sold. So it shows that there's a lot of selling going on in the market. It's not cooperating with me right now, but because I'm on my mobile. But the RSI, let's see if we can do it this way. There we go. A little technical difficulties. So the RSI is showing buying, right? Excuse me, selling. So it's showing there's a lot of selling in the market right now with that red trend line crossing the blue. Is dominating the blue. That shows that there's a lot of selling going on the stock leading up to Christmas Eve. The MACD here is still showing a uptrend. Those lines are wide. They're apart. They look like they're trying to intersect anytime soon. However, the graph below here is showing some weakness in the pattern. So I do expect the short sellers to come in and beat down the stock a little bit, but I will take a wait and see approach on this particular stock because it's so hot, it ran up so fast. I will take a wait and see approach. If you do have to trade it, then I do recommend maybe doing a debit spread or a small out of the money call option, or just to be cautious, and let's let it work its way out first. Let's see if it does break the support line or if it breaks the resistance line. And as always, you can stay tuned to the channel and watch to see updates on this particular stock. We will be following it closely. I do believe in the company. I do believe it's an up and coming market, especially with EVs. So stay tuned to Stock Talk with Reggie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so you can get notifications and reminders as we follow Quantumscape. And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, everybody's taking a nap. See you next time.